Hi everybody, this is Libby Prices coming to you talking about Shibu. Shibu, I am an investor in Shibu. The one thing that I see, Shibu had a awesome jump. You've seen right here. This is a daily chart and showing the daily chart on it came up, had a strong sell, and then it came up, had and started coming back down. We can see it has made a strong indication here where that green line is showing that is a very good resistance on level. Going to the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart, it's the strong level, it's right in here. I do not want to say the change because it's like 0.00000. You get the point. You can see it right there in the chart. It has in the 4-hour chart a strong. It's a buy signal, and it's starting to come. But the candles are on a long term showing a sell signal. So I think this is going to start, it's going to come back down still, and it's going to consolidate even more, a little bit more. The purple we were seeing, it didn't know where it's going to go. Now we're seeing a solid red, meaning it is going to go down. We are seeing it starting to head down. But we go into the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart is having a solid green, and it is a buy signal, but we can see on the bottom of this it is coming to be a bear. So right now I would be holding off on this, and I would hold off on buying more to see where the level is at. But it does look like I have bought higher, and this is not a bad price. Before I forget, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only and educational purposes only. This right here is not a bad price to buy in. I bought up into, we go into the daily chart. I was buying right in this area, and I'm holding on to my Shimu. This is not, I think it's going to go up. We can see a lot of companies are taking on this. There's AMC's taking this. There's other places are starting to take this as a payment. This is a great thing. And I even hear that Robinhood, I don't know if you're a fan or not a fan, but Robinhood is looking at having a trade on this as well. But it's a very strong indication on the daily chart as a buy. So for me, the level right now is not a bad area. I might invest a little bit more into it. I have invested right down here and then invest right up here, and averaging, I might buy even more. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just saying it looks like it's not that bad. It pulled down because of all this rip and pushing, and once it pushed this level, it had ripped all the way up here. And we can try to zoom in here and see, is it getting a level that it has gotten to its bottom? And so far I am not seeing a signal on there that shows it's gotten to a bottom level. On the 4-hour chart, let's see if we can find that. Zoom out here, and we have seen a bottom right here. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's at the 0.0004029. Let's put it that way. So it's at that bottom. It had so it's right in a very good consolidation mode area, and it's right up in the top. If it breaks up that, let's just call it 50 or 5,000. If it breaks above that 5,000, I could see this going up, and it would have to break the 51 and then moving up. This is the first time doing a cryptocurrency, talking about it. I mostly deal with stocks, and I mostly have dealing with that stuff. This cryptocurrency is a little bit different trading the mode, but so far it is looking like a good sign that's going to go up, but I don't see it ripping as it did like it did back here. I don't see it. I can see it ripping, like moving upwards, and it's just consolidating. It's consolidating because it had that strong rip and it's starting to move back down. And you can see it had another pattern here. It is bringing a, and I don't really like doing this, but you can see it got out of the pattern moving upwards. So good signs, and we can see it getting out of this bearish area. Looks like it's starting to go onto a bull trend now. So this is probably, I would say, if you like the video, definitely subscribe, put some comments down there, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. You know what to do. I appreciate everything. If anyone puts a thumbs up, I appreciate that, and thanks for everything.